Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making one of my favorite spring sweet treats, Lemon Ricotta Squares. With just the right amount of citrus, these tasty little guys are perfect to welcome the season. So let's get baking.
First things first, we'll start by making the shortbread crust. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine a couple cups of sifted flour and ground sea salt. We'll whisk well and set aside. In another bowl, we'll add melted unsalted butter, some granulated sugar, and pure vanilla extract. We'll mix to blend before adding the dry ingredients. We'll stir until everything is well incorporated, and then drop the dough into a 9 by 13 inch greased baking dish lined with lightly greased parchment paper. If you don't know how to line it, click on the top right corner of your screen to view this great tutorial on the subject. We'll press down firmly with our clean hands, making sure the dough is spread evenly. It's not obvious, but doable. When this is finally done, using the tines of a fork, we'll poke the dough multiple times and then transfer it to a 325-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 20 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned. We'll remove to a wire rack and allow it to cool. Meanwhile, we'll make the filling. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add 5 large eggs and granulated sugar. With the whisk attachment, we'll process on medium speed until the mixture is light and somewhat fluffy. To this, we'll add ricotta cheese and pure vanilla extract. Still on medium speed, we'll process again until everything is well blended, about a minute. We'll now add our sifted flour that has been mixed with ground sea salt and also some lemon zest. We'll process again, but this time on low speed until nicely incorporated, and then increase back to medium before adding our last ingredient, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Next, we'll pour the filling onto our cooled crust and carefully transfer it to the preheated oven. We'll bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the filling is set and doesn't jiggle anymore. We'll remove from the heat and place it onto a wire rack. We allow it to cool completely before covering and transferring to the fridge for at least 2 hours. Just before serving, we'll sprinkle on some powdered sugar. And my friends, these are our lemon ricotta squares. Vibrant, light and tasty, these little guys are a great treat for Easter and Mother's Day. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!